Welcome to PUC second year students. Already we have studied the chapter number 2, that is theory of consumer behavior. In theory of consumer behavior, already we have studied the demand curve, the movement of demand curve along with the diagram. And now today we have to study the shift in demand curves. The demand curve is depend upon the price. Already we have studied. But demand curve is not depend upon only the price, but change in except income, except change in price, but demand is change in by income, and the demand curve shift and leftwards and rightwards. It is a change in income of the consumers. The demand curve shows the shift in demand curves. We can understand with the help of two diagrams. When the demand curves rightward sloping, that time income of the consumer increases, the demand for commodity also increases. The demand curve shift from left to right. It means that upward sloping demand curves. We can understand by these diagrams the shift in demand curves. When the income of the consumer is increases, the demand for commodity also increases. It means that OP is the same price, it is the constant, no change in price, but only change in income of the consumer. As income of the consumer increases, the quantity of demand is increases from OQ to OQ1, and the demand curve shift from D to D1, shift to D to D1. It is leftward to rightwards. It is rightward shift in the demand curve. It is when as income increases, as income of the consumer increases, the quantity demand is increases. The demand curve shift rightwards, means left to right, D to D1. It is increase in demand. It is rightward sloping demand curve. When in case of income of the consumer is decreasing, the demand for commodity also decreases. You see, the price is same or constant, no change in price, except the price, only change in income of the consumers. The demand curve shift rightwards and upwards. In case of the income of the consumer is decreases, the quantity of demand also decreases. OP is same. The income of the consumer is decreases, the quantity of the consumer is decreases from OK to OK1. But demand of the consumer is shift rightwards to leftwards, D to D1. Means it is decreases from D to D1. When income of the consumer decreases, as income of the consumer income decreases, the quantity of the commodity also decreases, but the demand curve also shift leftwards from rightwards to leftwards. It is a decrease in demand. It is called as the shift in demand. Shift in demand. It is shift in demand. It leads two diagrams. One is rightward sloping demand curve. Another one is leftward sloping demand curve. Rightward sloping demand curve indicates as income increases, demand also increases. And leftward sloping demand curve, it indicates as income of the consumer decreases, demand also decreases, and it is slopes leftwards. Once again, when demand curve slopes rightwards, it is income of the consumer is increases, the demand for commodity also increases. The demand curve shift from left to right, it is rightward sloping demand curves. And when the income of the consumer is decreases, the demand for commodity also decreases. The demand curve shift rightwards to leftwards, means D to D1, means OQ to OQ1 or D to D1. It is shift in the demand curves, means rightwards to leftwards and leftwards to rightwards. It is called as the shift in demand. Except price, but price is constant. Only change in income. As change in income leads to change in demand. Demand is change in income, change in demand. Change in rise in income, rise in demand. It rightwards. And change in income, decrease in income, decrease in demand. And demand curve shift rightwards to leftwards. It is called as a shift in demand. It is a shift in demand. Thank you.